morning here in La Joya ISD, we had our ribbon cutting ceremony for the Coach Rod Field here at La Joya ISD. For our Lady Coyotes, we dedicated this field to a man who is a legacy in our district and represents all that we want to carry with us every single day. Strength, integrity, pride, passion, commitment. We unveiled this field in his honor, to honor his family, and to show our student athletes and our community our commitment to those very characteristics and to the investment in our students.
I'm just excited to be a part of this whole dedication to a field, to a gentleman that was not only respected on the field, but off the field as well. The Rodriguez family, as a school board member, it gives us more pride, or it gives us a lot of pride to be able to represent not just a gentleman like Coach Rod, but the young girls that have gone through the program. Many of these young ladies now are either coaches, they're professionals in their own lives, they're role models for other young women. And that was the intent of being able to celebrate together, not only with the players that are playing here today, but with the community.
As we celebrated today, we're always surrounded by excellence. And so we saw folklorico, we saw mariachi, we saw our band, we saw coaches out from across our district, all in celebration of our history and Coach Rod, but also our future. And so always having an opportunity to display the excellence that lives in every single one of our students and our student groups, our fine arts performances, is just another way that we get to show off, really show off, how our students are amazing. And so are all of the adults that surround them every day to make it happen.
This district is full of talent, not just here in La Joya, but throughout the whole district, right? It was really emotional to see not only members of our own district release balloons, but teams that surround this area and participate in today's tournament, you know, be able to celebrate with us and the releasing of the balloons. It was certainly memorable.
This isn't just a ribbon we're cutting today. It's a new chapter we're opening. It's a chapter where fans will walk through Coach Rod's arch and witness our girls play on a field bearing his name, where they'll slide into home plate on the best surface in the state of Texas, where families gathered under protective netting will watch a beautiful views of the action and live instant replays and game-changing moments on cutting-edge display where our athletes will prepare for competition in a professional-grade dugout. Championship banners are hung in the legacy of Coach Rod, where excellence will live on with every pitch, every swing, and every victory. Let's celebrate, let's honor this legend, let's open Coach Rod Fields where champions are made.
Thank you for welcoming me into Coach Rod's world. I feel like I know him a little bit, even though we didn't get to spend as much time together as we should have. Your partnership helped bring this vision to life, and so thank you so much. This field today will stand as a tribute to Coach Rod's legacy, his work, and his belief in our students of yesterday, today, and the future ahead. Girls, this is for you. This is all for you. Way to go, female athletes. Please stand. Let's go, girls, stand up. This is about each and every one of you here in La Joya ISD.
Every student athlete who steps on this field, you are not just playing on a field. You are standing on a legacy of a man who gave his all for the game of softball. Coach Rod was not just a coach, he was a people builder, and his legacy will live on forever. It is now your responsibility to honor that legacy. Honor it with your effort, ladies. Make it for you. Go full circle. Coach Rod, this is the least we can do. And to every student who will ever step on this field, I beg you to please remember his name. May God bless you, and may God bless La Joya ISD.
Projects like this require an all hands on deck approach. I talk about a team very often. And so that's everyone from operations to our business and finance folks to make sure everything happens, to our board who says yes in a vision, to our communications team, our public relations team who helps us celebrate days like today. Nothing happens without the love and hard work of dedicated folks. Thank you to every single person who had their hands on this project and made it come to life in 3 months for our student athletes today at Coach Rod Field.